Tired of static PDFs that can't be easily updated on your laptop? Dochub is here to revolutionize your workflow, letting you edit PDFs like a pro, right from your desktop. First, let's get you into Dochub. Head over to the Dochub website and sign in once you're logged in. You'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface to start editing. Simply click the Upload button or drag and drop your PDF file directly onto the page. Now that your PDF is open, let's explore the editing tools to add text. Click on the Add Text icon from the toolbar. A text box will appear on your document. Click anywhere to start typing. And you can easily resize and reposition this text box as needed. You can even change the font, size, and color of your text using the options that appear. Need to insert an image? It's just as simple. Select the Add Image icon. You'll then be prompted to choose an image from your laptop. Once selected, the image will appear on your PDF, ready for you to resize, move, and rotate it to perfectly fit your document. For visual enhancements, Dochub offers shape tools. Click Add Shape and choose from a variety of preset shapes like rectangles, circles, or lines. These are perfect for highlighting important areas or adding decorative elements. You can customize their color and opacity to match your PDF style. One of Dochub's most powerful features is redaction to permanently remove sensitive information. Click the Redact tool then. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text or image you want to conceal. Once you save your document, this information will be permanently gone. Once you've made all your desired changes, don't forget to save. Click the Save button and Dochub will generate a new edited PDF file that you can download to your laptop. It's that easy to transform static PDFs into dynamic, editable documents on the go.